Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, dear viewers. How are you doing? Thank God we are doing fine. Today we are going to share with you this recipe, very tasty recipe. In Pakistan, we love it very much. It can be mutton minced, and okra, I mean lady fingers, or right now we are cooking chicken minced, I mean ground chicken meat, okra, lady finger with onion, a lot of onion. So ingredients I will show in the description. So right now you can see how beautiful look is it. This is after a few minutes going to be ready. Ingredients are, I can tell you right now, all kind of spices as required. 1 cup of oil, cooking oil, half kg okra, lady's finger, half kg chicken minced, ground chicken meat, green chili 2 or 3. We have to fry all these things in onion, and it takes only 20 minutes to be ready. Right now it's almost ready. We will show you when it's ready after a few minutes. Yes, dear viewers, this dish is almost done. After 2-3 minutes it will be ready. You can see it's frying all together. Very beautiful smell, very tasty, yummy smell. Anyway, right now it's ready, dear viewers. Please like this video, watch this video, share this video and all other videos, and please subscribe our all channels. So nice of you. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.